Good morning guys, mag-fishing kami guys. Walang tulugan to guys, mag-fishing kami.
Uban? Ika? Gusto mo ba? Hindi. Ikaw gusto mo ba? Pumapay, pumarama ito. Ew.
Umaka? My loves. Good morning Abu Dhabi. Good morning UAE. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, good morning. Kumang kami, Labs? Dali. Hello mga kapsat. Welcome to my vlog. This is Hernan Fernandez TV. Sa kalabasa. Ang pound part. Magpi-fishing kami guys. So ito yung ating sasakyan para mag-fishing. So ang oras ngayon ay alas 6 ng umaga dito sa Abu Dhabi. So ito yung mga kasama natin. Ito yung driver natin guys. Yan. So dito kami ngayon sa isla Yas Island. Overnight kami dito guys. Ito yung asawa ko. Sama kami, Labs.
Kaya pa ninyo?
Kaya pa.
Tulog, sabang kayo. Hindi ko katulog.
Walang tulugan to guys. Wala kaming tulog. So ngayon magpipishing kami. Yan yung mga gamit namin, no? Yan, fishing. Yan, may fishing rod kami. Walang tulugan to guys. Hello guys. Eid Mubarak. Walang tulog guys, wala kaming tulog. Kaya ngayon magpipishing kami. Try namin magpishing kung makakuha ng isda. Yan. So ito yung ating sasakyan guys. Para sa fishing. Relax lang busing.
Takilpog ba? Ano ba oh?
Dito na kami guys, nakaready na yung ba namin. Magpi-fishing na kami. Sana may makuha tayo para pang ulam. Yan. Yan. Yan yung ating mga dara mo John. Yan yung ating tent. Dihara na siya kaya di na sila kakuha og doors. Yan, oh guys, mag-fishing na kami guys. Kuha tayo. Sana may makuha tayong fish guys. Wala kaming tulog guys. Kumagahan kami. So ngayon 6:30 na, so mag-fishing kami. Guys, so yan, ito na. Uy, part, saka na part. So meron pa kaming stock guys. So. Kuan ba na? Asa ang gunting? Kuan gunting. So ito yung fishing rod guys, fishing rod. Sana makakuha tayo para meron tayong pang-ulam. Ayay. Guys, fishing na kami guys. Good morning Abu Dhabi. So sana may makuha tayong isda. Sana may makuha tayong isda. Ayay, ito yung ating mga gamit guys, pang isda. So yan yung ating mga tent. So dyan muna kayo. Yan, yan muna yung pamangkin ko at asawa niya. Yan. Okay, inshallah. Uy, papunta na ng Pinas oh. Wow, sana all, pauwi na ng Pinas. Ito yung aming kapitan, si Senator Bato. Ayay, larga vida, larga vida.
Uy, wala, nasulit ko ang uso ni.
Yan.
Ini ang lasabay.
Asam to mga pirado?
Nadri yung readers na to.
Ulit ko yung sabay, wala sa naman.
Ayaw, sagot tong mga kuan ni Malabs.
Narao.
Driver namin guys, yung mag-juwars. Hello, Kapitan.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning. Ay, 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 ay.
Hinay lang.
Silponin mo, my loves.
Hinay lang ko.
Hinay, uy. Yehey! Yehey! Mangisda kami guys, mangisda kami. Mangisda kami, mangisda. Patinto lima. Saan mo kami na? Ay, kontra. Yehey! Woohoo! Hinihinay lang part. Neng, ayaw. Pagkunit, Neng. Yan. Mangisda kami guys. So. Dahil pa ng red horse guys. Red horse.
Wala akong GoPro.
O ka ni magkidala imong GoPro. Yala yala yala. Yehey. Yehey. Yehey.
Ginagawa mo. Ginagawa mo.
Asa mo talaga park? Makwan. Walang tulog eh. Hello guys. Hello. Wow! Yan yung mga driver natin, no? Wow!
Hello.
Hello!
Tulog ka ba?
Hey, what are you? Yehey! Yehey!
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's
Erase
right
that.
and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago.